There we go. That's better. What's going on, everyone? My name is Marcel, or MD14, and I'm here to bring you the latest and greatest from Logitech for creators, the Litra Glow. If you've been looking for premium streaming lighting, well, Logitech has you covered with the Litra Glow from Logitech for creators. This is the easiest premium streaming lighting you will ever set up. With the adjustable monitor mount, you'll be set up in no time. This is pretty crazy that Logitech made something like this. Not for the fact with the sheer size of it, but like how affordable it is as well. If you have a tight budget, or if you want some really good lighting, you can pretty much stream with this all day and with nothing to worry about. And the fact that it's so affordable as well is pretty amazing. This is definitely a must get for every creator. Litra works with Logitech's free G Hub software. You can turn on and off the Litra Glow. You can control the brightness, you can control the temperature, you can even try out some presets as well. It even gives you a nice little preview of how you look. So the Litra is very easy to adjust on any monitor. As you can see, you can just pop it in right here and adjust it to any height you like. You can tilt down the light if you wanted to. It even has the nice little settings right here in the back for you. You can always adjust the lights right here and also power it on as well. If you're worried about like, hey, would it evenly spread out the light for me? Fear not, with the diffuser right here, it will evenly spread out the light for you. So with that being said, make sure you guys check out the Litra Glow from Logitech for creators, and of course this year, make sure to find your light.